Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. So my name is Ronaldo Adian, and today we're going to learn about how to solve the three-point problem in geology using Python. But first thing first, you have to open the Microsoft Visual Studio first. And then we're gonna make new files. Let's say threeproblem.py and then hit enter. Because we don't have the NumPy and Matplotlib libraries, we have to install them first into the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. To do that, you have to go to the matplotlib.org, and then there you can find how to install their library. You can just copy the sentence and then paste it here, and then add 3 in front of the Python, and then hit enter. Wait until the installation is finished. After the installation is finished, then we're gonna install the NumPy library into the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. To do that, just paste the same sentence into the Visual Studio Code, but change the matplotlib or add 3 in front of this Python, and then change the matplotlib library into NumPy, and then press enter. Wait until the installation is finished. After the installation is finished, and then we can solve the 3-point problem. We've got 3 points here: A, B, and C. A is 500, 1400, 3400. Point B is 1200, 300, 2400. Point C is 2500, 800, 2200. Then we have to change this point into this matrix. Point A equals to y1, z1, 1, and then y2, z2, 1, and y3, z3, and 1. In order to do that, we have to import the library into the Python. Import numpy as np, and then import matplotlib as plt, and then import math as math. And then let's assume that A equals to np dot array in order to make a matrix, and then add the parentheses, and then add and then type the brackets, and then the other brackets you have to type 2 brackets inside of the parentheses, and then you can type y1 there, like y1 is 1400, and then z1 is 3400, and then 1, and then comma 300, and then z2 is 2400, and then 1, and then y3 is 800, 800, and then 2200, 2200, and then 1. In order to check if our syntax is correct, our code is correct, you can type print then A. Now you've got the matrix, and then you can also do the same thing for B equals to np.array, and then C equals to np.array. Okay, I think that is for today's lesson. Then for the next course, we're going to talk how to determine the determiner by using this matrix. Thank you guys. See you for next course.